Welcome to Attari Classes. Have you ever imagined that how you connect to Facebook, Yahoo, Google from your home network? The router does this job. So in today's interview question series, we will be learning about router. So my dear friends, router is a device that connects between multiple networks. For example, when you go to your computer and you open up the Chrome browser and you type www.amazon.com, the data goes to the router. And the router has a special table known as the routing table. Now, routing table is like Google Maps. The Google Map, the way it shows you the best path, correct? So this path is having a lot of congestion. This path is good. Okay, the way Google Map shows you the path, similarly, routing table helps the router to find the best path. And then according to the routing table, the router will understand that how it can reach the Amazon server. Okay, so there can be multiple paths, but the routing table helps the router to find the best path. So then using the routing table, the router forwards the packet and then it reaches the Amazon server. So my dear friends, the job of the router is to connect a different network. Example, this is your home network. This is your LAN, your local area network. And the router is connecting your home network, your local area network to internet. So the main purpose of the router is to connect different networks. Without router, can I access internet? No, without router, I cannot access internet. Okay, and router has a special table that is known as the routing table. And router works on IP address. Router works on IP address. Now coming back, so router is an L3 device. Router connects different network. Router forwards data using IP address. And there is a table in the router that is known as the routing table that helps to find the best path. Okay, so if anyone asks you what is router, you have to answer this. So I would like to thank you. Bye.